How to fix Spotify Premium Student Plan not working. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if your Spotify Student Premium Plan is not working. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your web browser, and here you're just going to search for Spotify Premium. And once you search for it, you will find the Spotify student tier like right here. And then once you open up your Spotify premium plans, you can go ahead and tap on view all plans. Now here it will show you all of the plans that are available. So student plan is much cheaper than the individual one. So the first one is the individual plan. The second one is student, duo, family, and many more. So if you are trying to get the student plans, which is only not even $2 per month, there are a few eligibility that you need to require. So if you are a student, then you will have to have one verified premium account. Then only you are eligible for discount. You can also cancel anytime. And for this, you will need a verified ID by Sheer. So you will need your student verification by Sheer, which is another process on itself. So once the verification is complete, only then you'll be able to start your premium plan of your student. So once you get the verification right here, then tap on next and you can upload your ID there and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.